But why is 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
It's because of 9 and 10.
Okay.
I feel like I want to sniff this glue for ages.
It's probably not a good thing.
I want to sniff this glue for ages, but...
What are we building?
A-10!
Open it up. There they are. We're gonna have to read the instructions. Now let's take each of these out and we'll place them right over here somewhere. Uh-huh. So if you look at, where's step 1?
Step 1.
So right here, what's that number?
Number 2.
Is it? Can't really tell.
I can see it.
Now we need number 14. Can you find number 14?
Number 14.
I think you got it. It's already cut.
Hey guys, look. Do you see this?
Oh.
Let's go and put this in.
What, that looks kind of like the picture. Is that number 1?
1. Take it out.
All right.
Okay.
And we're gonna hold it tight. All right, so this is drying. We're gonna put this aside for now. And then, so now what do we need? What numbers do we need over here?
6, 7, 6, 7.
And so we need what? We need 6, 7, and
9, 10.
all right. So let's find them over there.
Does it rhyme?
Yeah. Not really.
But
Let's go.
I found 6, 7, 6, 7.
So we got 6 and 7, and there's 2 of them, 2 of each of them. Got it. All right.
Okay, guys, back again. Look at.
Put a little bit of glue in here so we're gonna have stuff nice and even.
I think you did. Look at, we managed to glue this together. Let me just zoom in. Wow. Slimy. The glue smells so good.
And there's another one of those over here. That one goes in the back.
Let me check everything.
Yeah. Perfect. Yep, just like that. It doesn't really click or anything.
Gotta squeeze it in a little bit.
Excellent. How's it look?
Good.
It's starting to look like an A-10. Alright, so we need 21, 13, and 22.
Do you mean 21 and 2? Oh, I found 22. These little clippers are so... There we go.
Perfect.
Okay, let's do another one. There we go.
Perfect. The next step, what numbers do we need?
12 and 11. 12 right here.
Nice. That was easy.
11. Do you have to push
Keep
it?
holding it, and I'll help you with that part, because that part, just keep holding it, and I'll hold. There you go. Perfect.
Okay. Now I have my back ring.
All right, so what pieces do we need next? Looks like 3, 4, and 5.
I got 3. And 4. And 5. Uh-oh, I think I need clips. Clips. Can I have the clips?
You can probably do the edges. All right, and maybe do the other side. Back it up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Do what you fall.
The next step is put this on.
Okay. What part are we making here, do you know?
The wings.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
You like the way it smells, huh?
Yeah.
Looking good. All right, what's the next step?
Put the wings on. Put the big wings on.
There you go.
Okay, guys.
Wow,
Look.
it's really looking like an airplane now. Let's see what we're looking for. Yeah, perfect. Just push down a little bit. There you go.
Okay. Right here.
Now we got a next step here. We need number 19.
I'm never showing if it.
Perfect. There it is.
I gotta snap it.
Got it. Yeah, you got it. That's good.
Now I can
Let's
finally
see.
fly without bleed. Now I can finally fly. Yeah! And here's the finished project.
So what do you think?
Good.
Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye. Like and subscribe.